In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer emails from one Gmail account to another seamlessly. Whether you're switching emails for work, consolidating personal accounts, or just need a fresh start, this guide will simplify the process. First, let's dive into setting up your accounts correctly. You'll need both of your Gmail accounts open and accessible. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into the account from which you're transferring emails. Once that's set, open a new tab and sign into the account you'll be transferring those emails to. This is crucial because you will be toggling between both accounts during this process. Now, with both accounts ready, let's go to the Gmail settings of the account you're sending emails from. In the top right corner, you'll see a gear-shaped icon. That's your settings menu. Click on it and then select See All Settings. This will take you to a more detailed view. Within the Settings menu, find and select the Forwarding and POP IMAP tab. When you're there, look for the section labeled IMAP Access and ensure it's enabled. This feature allows your emails to be transferred properly. Click Save Changes to finalize this setting. The next step is to switch over to the Gmail account that will be receiving the emails. Again, navigate to the settings by clicking the gear icon and choosing See All Settings. Here, find the tab labeled Accounts and Import. This is where you'll link the two accounts and manage the email migration. Under the Check Mail from Other Accounts section, click Add a Mail Account. A window will pop up asking for the email address you'd like to import emails from. Enter the address of the account you're transferring emails from and click Next. You'll be prompted with a few options regarding how you would like to proceed with the email transfer. Here, make sure to choose the Import Emails from My Other Account, POP3 option. This selection ensures that all your emails from the original account will be copied over. After this, you'll need to provide the password for the original Gmail account. Follow the prompts, and when asked, ensure that the settings for importing emails are correct. You might want to label the incoming messages and archive them automatically to keep your inbox organized. Remember to click Add Account to finalize and begin the email transfer. Once this is complete, your emails should start flowing into your new account. Depending on the volume of emails, it might take some time for everything to appear, so be patient. It's a good idea to periodically check your newer account to confirm that the transfer is proceeding smoothly. By following these steps, transferring your Gmail emails can be done with ease. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for joining me today, and happy emailing.